So, you have a Hisense smart TV and wonder if you can enjoy IPTV features seamlessly? Let's find out. The good news is that yes, you can get IPTV on your Hisense TV. This opens up many exciting content avenues. First, ensure your TV is connected to the internet. This is vital for IPTV functionalities you'll soon explore. Next, access your TV's App Store and search for an IPTV app. Many free and paid options are available. Once found, the installation process is quite simple. Just hit the download button and it automatically installs. After installation, open the app and there's one crucial step left: entering a subscription service for content access. Here's a recommendation: 2TV.store provides an excellent IPTV service, offering numerous channels and easy setup. After subscribing, enter your service information into the app. Now the thrilling variety of IPTV is accessible. Feel the excitement as you browse through global channels, movies, and shows right from your living room. And remember, using a quality service like 2TV.store enhances your streaming experience with premium content. There you have it, your Hisense Smart TV transformed. Subscribe and enjoy exploring IPTV to its fullest.